Hello, I am Gauri Krishna. I am a member of Apple Story Club. Today I am here with a quiz. The quiz is on our motherland, India. So let's see how many you can rightly answer. First question, which country has the largest democracy in the world? The answer is India. Second question, which is the seventh largest country in the world? The right answer is India. Now, third question. Which is the continent that India belongs to? The right answer is Asia. Now we are moving on to the fourth question. How many states are there in India? The answer is 28. Now to fifth question. How many union territories are there in India? The right answer is 7. Sixth question. What is the capital of India? The right answer is New Delhi. Now to the seventh question. What was the old name of New Delhi? The answer is Indraprastha. Now the eighth question. From which river did India got its name from? The answer is Sindhu or Indus. Now to the ninth question. Which is the national flower of India? The answer is lotus. Now to the 10th question. Which is the national tree of India? The answer is Great Banyan Tree. Now we are moving on to the 11th question. What is the national emblem of India? The answer is Lion Capital. Now to the 12th question. What are the colors in India's national flag? Answer is saffron, white and green. Now to the 13th question. What is the national anthem of India? The answer is Jana Gana Mana. Now we are moving on to the 14th question. Who wrote Jana Gana Mana? The answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Now to the 15th question. What is the national song of India? The right answer is Vande Mataram. Now we are moving on to the 16th question. Who wrote Vande Mataram? The right answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Now to the 17th question. From which book is Vande Mataram taken from? The right answer is Anandamath. Now to the 18th question. Which is the national fruit of India? The answer is mango. Now to the 19th question. Which is the national bird of India? The answer is peacock. Now to the 20th question. Which is the national river of India? The answer is the Ganges. We are moving on to the 21st question. Which is the national aquatic animal of India? The answer is the Gangetic river dolphin. Now to the 22nd question. Which is the national animal of India? The answer is Royal Bengal tiger. Now to the 23rd question. Which is the largest state in India? The answer is Rajasthan. Now to the 24th question. Which is the smallest state in India? The right answer is Goa. Now to the 25th question. Which is the southernmost tip of India? The answer is Cape Comorin, Kanyakumari. Now to the 26th question. When India became independent? The right answer is 15th August 1947. Now to the 27th question. When India did became a republic? The right answer is 26 January 1950. Now to the 28th question. What is the name of the chakra in the middle of our national flag? The right answer is Ashoka Chakra. Now to the 29th question. How many spokes does the Ashoka Chakra have? The right answer is 24. Now to the 13th question. Who designed India's national flag? The right answer is Pingali Vengaya. Now the 31st question. Who was the first person who hoisted India's flag on a foreign land? The right answer is Madam Bikaji Cama. Now moving on to the 32nd question. Who wrote India's constitution? The answer is Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Now moving on to the 33rd question. When did India's constitution came into force? The right answer is 26 January 1950. Now to the 34th question. When is Gandhi Jayanti? The right answer is October 2nd. Now to the 31st question. Which is the birthplace of Mahatma Gandhi? The right answer is Porbandar, Gujarat. Now to the 36th question. When is Children's Day celebrated? The right answer is November 14th. Now to the 37th question. Whose birthday is celebrated as Children's Day in India? The right answer is Jawaharlal Nehru. Now we are moving on to the 38th question. Whose birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day in India? The right answer is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan.